Hello viewers, greetings from ValveNet Technologies. In this video, I will show you how to download 20 plus years of EOD data. With this 20 plus years of historical data, we can able to get a clear picture about each stock's performance. It's very simple to get the history over here. Let me show you the same. So this is our BestRT charting software. Open the BestRT Nex and go to the EOD options. Now just select the start date and end date and just click update historical EOD. As you click it, you can see the data is downloading. Usually it takes 20 to 30 minutes only to get 20 years of data. As you can see there, it's almost over now. Okay, now let's see the charts of Reliance. With this historical data, we can predict the support and resistance levels and can take our trade decisions easier, and also change the time frame accordingly as per your wish, like daily view, monthly view and an yearly view. So this EOD data is free along with the BestRT data and also offering 10 days of free trial for the same. So the download link is given in the description. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.